Good day, everyone. So, I am James, and now we're down to the chapter 3, or the general regulations. Next slide. For the section 301, or the disposal of wastewater, it states here that it shall be unlawful for any person to cause, suffer, or permit the disposal of sewage, human excrement, or other wastewater in any place or manner except through by means of approved excreta and storm drainage system installed and maintained in accordance with the provision of this code. So this simply means that you cannot just dump your sewage no, and human increments and other wastewater anywhere you please. No. But there are legal ways one put to dispose our waste. First is through an approved excreta and storm drainage system. Second is a system that must be installed and maintained according to the provision of this code. So dapat yun no kailangan ta mag consider nga natay approval from the local governing authority in which they reviewed, permitted, and inspected. This is to ensure po na we meet the legal and technical standards designed to protect the public health and the environment. And for the section 302, or the grade of horizontal drainage piping, so this is very important, no? Because it states here that horizontal drainage pipe shall run in practical alignment at uniform slope between manholes of not less than 20 mm per meter, or that gives us a 2% na sloping towards the point of disposal. No? So when it says na practical alignment and uniform slope, this basically means that your pipe should run straight, wala siya necessary zigzag, and consistent ang angle na 2%. No? And pagkuha sa 2% na angle is naka-state dire na for every 1 meter na run, dapat na atay 20 millimeter na rise pod. This is to ensure nga makuha nato ang 2% na sloping. No? So we also have impracticable to obtain 2% slope due to the following constraints. And next slide, please. So these are the constraints. No? First is the excessive depth of proposed drainage line. So this means mga kanang mag-lay ta og 2% na sloping sa atong drainage pipe. Sometimes na dili na siya ma-connect. No? So that is one of the constraints. Second is natay mga structural and geological features of terrain na atong ground is rock and stable ang atong ground, and ang atong bagyan po na mga structures of natin, mga foundations o utility lines that prevents us to dig enough para makabuot ang 2% na slope. And lastly, natay mga existing adverse in arrangement of building or structures. Kaning natay mga we are dealing with existing property where the current pipe position or the foundation depth make it steeper slope impossible without costly modification. So for the section 303, or the change in direction of drainage flow, so it states here that changes in direction of drainage piping shall be made by the use of approved fitting. So these are the approved fitting, which is 22.5 degrees bend, 45-degree bend, 60-degree bend, or other approved fittings of longer sweeps. No? The core principle ani is to avoid us from using kani mga 90 degrees elbow fitting. Kay kani mga 90 degrees elbow fitting kay makakos ni sila og slump sa tungwal, which slows atong discharge and would likely cause blockage. And by limiting kaning magamit of 60 degrees na bend or less, it ensures that the waste can glide around the corner without losing the velocity. No? Because we need this velocity to keep the solid no, suspended and moving towards the disposal point. Next slide, please. For the 303.2, so to summarize this, no, it just simply means na kaning horizontal drainage line must enter sa atong mga vertical na stack. Dapat bonus sila atong panggamitan, which is 45 degree or 60 degree Y branches combination of Y and 1/8 bend branch, dapat natay sanitary P and other approved fittings of longer sweeps. No? And there is a 303.2, naka-state there na no fitting having more than one inlet at the same level shall be used. So, muna siya ginatawag nato og single level inlet rule. No? So, this means that fitting with multiple inlets at the same level are generally prohibited. No? Unless they are designed so that the discharge of flow of one inlet cannot easily enter or interfere with other flow of other inlet. So, how do we um, establish this kung saan natin siya. So dapat magamit pa og kaning double sanitary piece sa atong mga water closet. This is to ensure na ma-prevent nato ang cross flow and cross contamination of drainage where waste of one fixture could potentially be forced into the branch leading to the other fixture. So may tabo ni siya kung dili ta magamit og sanitary piece kung natay kaning pareha niya sa picture duha ka bowl nga sila sa dugol sila. So kung mag-flush ka, anay tendency na mag-backflow siya sa pikas pod na water closet. So para malikayan na magamit ta og double sanitary piece. No? But there are specific conditions pod kung magamit ta og inana, which is dapat ang atong barrel is at least 2 pipe size larger than the side inlets. So kung atong side inlets is example natay 16 mm na diameter na side inlet, dapat ang atong barrel is larger ana, 2 times larger ana. So dapat natay 32 mm na diameter para sa atong barrel. This is to ensure nga ang atong space is enough for the barrel to handle the simultaneous discharge for both sides without the flow from one side impeding the other. So next slide please. So for the 303.3, the horizontal lines connecting to horizontal, so kaning horizontal connect ta og other pod na horizontal, dapat magamit ta og 45-degree Y branch and a combination of Y and 1/8 bend branch or other approved fittings of longer shoots. So mo ni siyang 45 degrees na Y branch na makita nato sa first picture sa taas. And ang kaning second is man siyang combination sa Y and 1/8 bend of branch. No? This is to ensure nga itong pipe meets the another drainage pipe, the horizontal run must merge at an angle bitaw para dili sila magbangga diretso. Kaya kung magamit kung ta og 90 degree nga angle, it would likely to cause turbulence. And kaning turbulence nga ma-experience sa atong discharge is makakos ni siya eventually og kaning clog sa atong mga pipes. No? So for the 303.4, for the vertical lines connecting to horizontal line, it states here that it shall enter at 45 branch and other approved fittings of longer sweeps, 60-degree branch or offset that may be used only when installed into vertical position. So same goes to the kaning vertical to horizontal, dapat magamit ta og kaning 45-degree branch and 60-degree branch. So the key principle with ani is to ensure that kaning kung mag-change ang direction to vertical to horizontal, natay gradual na changes sa atong direction. This is to prevent the solid from building up or the waste stream becoming turbulent. Kay kaning again kung magamit ganito 90 degree nga turn, it would likely cause na ang atong high velocity nga discharge would slump into the corner of the fitting and kaning mag-create siya og high turbulent area. So ang atong solid na example ang feces at ang atong tubig is mag-separate sila and eventually mag-plug na siya over time. So next slide please. So for the section 304, the connection to plumbing system required. So it states here that all plumbing fixtures, drains, appurtenances, and appliances used to receive or discharge liquid waste or sewage shall be connected properly to the drainage system of the building and premises. in accordance with the requirement of this code. So this role no, is really the cornerstone of the sanitation and public health. No? Kay kung magka-failure ka to adhere and follow this code, we might encounter health hazards and kaning health hazards na in which na wastewater discharge kanang ato siyang gipaagi sa storm drain, and it would likely create a immediate health risk by contaminating ang atong mga soil, and kaning makakos po siya sa atong contamination sa atong mga surface water kay usually kaning mga atong mga storm drain is ginapaagas siya sa mga surface water nato sa atong mga river. So kung ato siyang ipaagi lang sa ang atong mga waste is paagi nato sa storm drain, makontaminate atong river and potentially makontaminate po ang atong water supply. No? So next is the section 305 or the sewer required. No? So it says here that every building where plumbing fixtures are installed shall have a sewer service connection to a public or private sewer system except no, provided in subsection 305.2 of this section. So it mandates that any building no, with plumbing fixtures, na sila yung mga toilet, na sinks and shower, the waste and sewage must be directly connected no, into the approved sewer system. This is done no, to prevent the discharge of untreated wastewater would create a public hazard and environmental contamination. So now, next slide. So for the 305.2, when a public or private sewer is not available for use, extra drainage piping from the building and premises shall be connected to approved private and sewage disposal system. So kung layo kayo ang imong building sa public sewer, so dapat natay private sewage disposal system. No? This is to ensure that every building generates human sewage, has a legally sanctioned and properly engineered and safe method of disposal and maintaining the public health, and even those area nga dili maabot nila ang katong public nga sewage. No? So dili gyapon sila injected. So next slide please. For the section 306 or the damage to drainage system or public sewer, so it states here that it shall be unlawful for any person to deposit by whatever means into any plumbing fixture, floor drain, interceptor, slump, receptacle, or device connected to a excreta or storm drain, public sewer, private sewer, and septic tank, or cesspool of any ashes, solid drugs, flammable and poisonous, explosive liquids and other gases. And this also includes kaning mga oil and grease and other things which would and could cause damage to the drainage system or public sewer. So kani siyang role is designed to prevent damage and plug in hazards in the in the plumbing of. So kani siya is naka-state dito siya diri nga it shall be unlawful for any person to deposit ng kaning mga grease and kaning mga rugs, because these makakos gid sila og plug eventually sa atong mga pipes no kung malaghan sila. Parehaning nasa picture kung daghan kayo ang mabutang na mga grease, eventually mag-clog din siya over time. And next slide please.